Good morning, guys. So today we're testing out the August BOXYCHARM box. I've had this in my possession for about 3 weeks now. I've had it for a while. So I was a little confused with this BOXYCHARM box. I do have all the makeup on today, so you can see that I did use it. But let's go ahead and get on to the August BOXYCHARM box and let's see what they sent me this month. So this month's box is called Life's a Party, and this box was curated by Laura Lee. I know that she's under controversy, but this is not about her. This is about the BOXYCHARM box. So the first thing that you get in the box that I got in my box was the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. This is a $19 palette if you bought it on her website, and I believe that's the only place you can get it right now. You get 6 different very neon colors. So for me, this palette isn't a standalone palette. I need to bring in other, transition-y type of colors to work with it. So first off, I went in with the Morphe palette and used that as a transition. That's just Libertante, and that is their bronzer kit. And then I went in with It's a Party and Dream right in the transition and really blended that out and kind of, buffed it out to the top of almost my brow bone a little bit. And then when I was done with that, I went ahead and used the color Drinks and Bottoms Up together and just kind of blended that also into my crease. And as soon as I got that done, I went in with Bottoms Up and Hangover, which are the purple and the pink, and I mixed those together on the outer V and into the crease as well. And then I just tapped on Hangover kind of in the outer portion and Bottoms Up, and then I went into Drinks again into the center portion of my eye there. That was basically all I did on the eye for that. Then I took Hungover and drug it under the eye for a smoky eye effect there. So that's what I did with this palette. I did end up having to pull another color for my brow bone highlight, and it's not really a highlight, it's just like a brow white bone thing, but that's about it. This is a palette that I personally would not pick up myself, not because it's from Laura Lee, but these colors just don't call to me. I work in a professional place, so I cannot, wear this kind of look every single day without getting a side eye from maybe people that I work with. So I can see this working for a lot of people that, do entertainment like drag queens, stuff like that. I think this would be a perfect palette for them. But for the everyday, working type of person, this isn't something that I would be picking up or choosing to have. But other than that, the palette actually performs really well. The colors blended really well. I'm sure people on Instagram have come up with wonderful different color looks with this, but like I said, because of the vibrancy of this palette, it's just not for me and what I would need to use it in everyday life type stuff. I could probably pull in a couple of these colors for a pop of color like under the eye, to smudge and stuff like that, but it wouldn't be like an all over the lid type of look for me like I have on today. So that was this palette, $19 if you bought it on the Laura Lee website. All right, the next thing I have is from House of Lashes. I didn't put them on because I'm literally gonna take this makeup off after I'm done filming this. So House of Lashes, this is a either $9 to $12 pair of lashes, and I've got mine in the name Wispy Mini. Is that what it is? I think that's what it is, a Wispy Mini. So these are handmade with love. So that's actually really cool. They are really pretty, and I didn't want to ruin them by putting them on and then having to take them off because I know that, sometimes you can break a lash. But this is what they look like. They're really pretty. They look almost like real lashes. Very wispy, very pretty. I don't wear lashes on a regular basis. I just don't have the time for it. And because I do wear glasses most of the time, the lashes are usually too long for my glasses. I'll wear them every once in a while when I'm filming, or if I'm, wanting to go somewhere special and I have contacts in, which I don't hardly ever wear contacts either because they really irritate my eyes. So these are nice to have. I'll definitely put them to the test at some point, but not today because like I said, I'm taking off this makeup when I'm done. So these are really nice to have. All right, the next thing I have is from Bang Beauty, chocolate from Bang Beauty, and it is a chocolate eyeliner. Where are you, little? From Bang Beauty. It is a chocolate eyeliner. It is $22. So I do have it as a liner on. It's super grayish, not chocolate, more you can't see it really on my eyes. I don't find it to be the best eyeliner. You'll see a demo here on the top. It goes on pretty smoothly. I didn't have trouble, like I seen a couple other people had trouble with it being like really, you know, crumbly and stuff. It didn't crumble on me very much. It did glide on pretty well. It's not the color for me. Maybe if I'm wearing a really, really light eye, like, you know, nothing on the eye almost, and then I put that on there, I think that would be pretty. But other than that, I mean, it's just, it's okay. It worked better as an eyebrow pomade, and I did put it on my eyebrows today. So I think that this would be one that I use as an eyebrow pomade instead of, you know, using it for an eyeliner. But I mean, I think it'd be better for an eyebrow pomade. I don't know why they market this as an eye gel liner, but pomade for me, I think it worked fine as a pomade. So moving on to the next product. The next thing I got here is from Smashbox, which is the lipstick I have on. So I love to use the Always On liquid lipsticks from Smashbox. I think that the brush that they have, the applicator brush, is amazing. It has a tip in it. It has a dip in it to grab the product. Let me go ahead and show you there. So there is a tip and a dip there, which is really, really nice because what it does is it really defines the lip. But the lippy that they sent me does not really go with the eyeshadow that they sent me. So I know they sent off a whole bunch of different ones for a bunch of different people, and everybody got something different. I do appreciate this lippy because I think it's pretty. I probably might wear it. I'm not really sure. You have to tell me. It's really brown. Not something that I would pick up. Psychic Medium is the color that I got. So, where I do appreciate that they sent me a Smashbox lipsticks, I wish that they would have sent me more of a neutral nude color for my skin tone. And I know that BOXYCHARM has asked everybody about their skin tones and stuff like that, so hopefully in the future that will get better. I think this would suit somebody better with darker skin tone, or, you know, somebody that's really that really loves, you know, bold, dark, almost blackish lips. So where I appreciate that they sent me a Smashbox lipstick, I don't really love the color that they got. These actually range in between $21 and $24, and I think these ones are $24. The Always On liquid lipsticks, I believe they're $24 at the retail store. All right, so the next thing I got in my box is from Wonder Beauty. I got 3 Wonder Beauty under eye patches. These are $13 if you bought them. I don't know if it's $13 for a pack or $13 for 3, but these basically are after a night of partying. You put these under your eyes and it's supposed to depuff and all that kind of good stuff. I'm not using these today. I won't be trying these out right now. I am still in the process of testing out a skincare line, and I don't want to use any other skincare products on my face until I am done with that test. That way I don't compromise any results that I have for that skincare. All right, and then the last thing I got is from Ades. It is a sweet almond cuticle oil. I'm super excited about this. I grow out my nails all the time, and not too long ago my husband dropped my old cuticle oil on the ground and it cracked and there was cuticle oil everywhere, and I hadn't repurchased another one. So I'm actually really super excited about this. I've had it in the box and I haven't even opened it because I wanted to open it on camera, and so I'm excited that now I can start using it. So I do get really, really dry cuticles, and my nails grow pretty quick as long as I keep them painted. I did get a broken one, so I had to file everything down. So I'm happy to have this. And I know some people were just like, oh, I'm not excited about a cuticle oil, but for me, I take care of my nails. I love the way they look when they're long, and this is essential for me for my nail care. So I'm excited to get this. Let me know if you're excited to get it too, and down below. So this is actually a $20 or $18 product, which it's an oil, so I totally get it. So I am, like I said, excited to get this. I've had some of their nail polishes. I've got them in my Ipsy bags before, and so I'm not disappointed at all. My bag totaled in at $108 this month, which is a very low box for BOXYCHARM. Normally they range in between like $130 and $150, somewhere around there. So I don't know what is going on with BOXYCHARM. I know that they're working on a Boxy Luxe box, which I'm really excited about and hoping to get my hands on that. But I wasn't as impressed this month with BOXYCHARM, and I'm giving them a pass on this one because, you know, most of the time I'm pretty excited with all the products that I get. This month I think I'm only going to enjoy one of the products, which is going to be the nail stuff stuff, the nail gel or the nail oil. So yeah, I'm just, is the box worth the $21? Absolutely. But am I excited and you know, super happy of all the products that I got this month? Not really. So alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you have any questions about BOXYCHARM, and there's always a link down below. It is a code link, so if you press that link and you buy from BOXYCHARM, you're giving me charms. So just know that. Otherwise, if you don't want to use that link down below, just go ahead and head over to the BOXYCHARM website and just sign up there. So alright guys, I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.